Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're testing out a crazy, weird, cool, revolutionary, or so they say, foundation that is made up of many different oils. And the whole concept of it to me is just like, that was actually not a dramatization of me reading everything on the Sephora website. And then I did this. I was like, and then I'm like, order, get in my cart. Oh my God, why does it say that I have 43 issues with my computer? No, remind me tomorrow. And I will keep doing that for the rest of my life. Anybody else, please thumbs this video up because that'll be a surefire way to get a bunch of thumbs ups if you just want to be reminded tomorrow about all of your updates. Let's just get to it. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna be trying out the Kosas Oil Foundation. This is, God, it's still the same reaction. I just don't even know how this is gonna look good because I will take literally one drop of oil into my foundations that are thicker, that have a lot of concentration as far as pigments, and I like a full coverage thing. I don't like to be overly dewy. I don't like to be overly matte. I like to just, like I say, I wanna look like a human, natural finish. That's my game plan. This seems very interesting, and people so far, what I can gather from the reviews, it's either 5-star, I love it so much, or it's like half a star, this made me hate my life. There's really not a lot of middle ground here, so I feel like either I'm gonna love it or seal of disappointment. Yeah, I don't know. I'm having a great day though, so nothing in this universe, oily foundation, unpigmented foundation, whatever, nothing can get me down. I'm having the best day ever. Today, my sister delivered her baby girl and it was at 11:11, you guys. Oh my gosh, you all know how much I love 11s, and I literally almost dropped my phone. I was like, oh my gosh, like this baby's born on the 11th at 11:11. Like I can't. So anyway, thank you guys for the prayers, the love, support. It was a really challenging pregnancy and we're almost out of the woods. We're not completely there yet. Baby is not breathing on her own yet, but she's doing great. Mom's doing great. I'm just like really filled with joy. Sorry, my brain is all over the place. It's gonna be hard for me to like focus and just do this because I'm just like, baby, 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 like I wanna hop on a plane and go and just stare at her. Like my sister made a life. Isn't that amazing? Like, so good. Okay, so let's get to this. I have tone 3, I have tone 4. Now I don't know a lot about Kosas other than when I mentioned this product to a girlfriend, she was like, oh my God, yes, I love that brand so much. And I was like, I've never even heard of this. They sell like 4 products on Sephora right now. They have the clean stamp of approval, which I love so much. So it says to shake it good. So we have shade 4 right here. Let's just kind of take a look. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's very much, that's an oil. It says it will give, oh, it's actually giving some coverage. Hello. So at first I was like, no, this can't work. I was reading reviews and everyone was like, oh my gosh, this is the greatest thing on planet Earth. And then I'm like, I really want that too. And then I was watching on the Kosas site, they have a video and the founder is explaining exactly why they chose the oils that they did, how avocado will actually carry the other oils deeper into the skin to help, aid in some of the damage. There are oils that are antioxidants. There's jojoba oil, which is the most similar oil to what your skin will naturally produce. So this is not a heavy, overly clogging formula. It's very unique. It's very interesting that they have this heavy of a pigmentation within an oil. And the whole catch is that this is supposed to be makeup that you can do in 10 seconds. So you know what that means? We're timing this. It's gonna be the 10-second makeup challenge. But the thing that I think is cool about that is that you could literally leave a workout class, use a little micellar water, and put on something that maybe evens you out enough that you feel more confident. I know on the weekends, I don't do heavy makeup, but when I get up before I go and do brunch or meet up with a girlfriend, like I don't wanna bake and contour and do all this and spend an hour because like I like my free time to be my free time and just to kind of relax, but I do want to kind of smooth. Like a little evenness is welcome, you know, but in 10 seconds, if that can happen, yes. So let's just get down to it. It comes in 10 shades. It does say that within those 10 shades, it's covering everyone because of the way it adapts with your skin and your skin tone. So you don't have to find like an exact match. You just kind of have to be in the realm of the match. So this does say that there are 6 active botanical oils. This is going to even out your skin tone. This is going to erase imperfections, minimize pores. I'm really curious about that because I honestly don't believe that. I like something to kind of pack and fill them in. No blending required. How? You can use this as a daily serum or moisturizer. It's breathable, silky, it's a lot of things. It's natural infomercial time. Okay, here we go. No soy, no egg, no gluten. This one is also 100% cruelty-free. Can you please tell me what brand is 99% cruelty-free? Because I've never seen that advertised. It is also vegan, free of parabens, silicones, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, PEG, and petroleum. I literally just heard all of you screaming at me to just put the freaking makeup on. So I hear you. We're taking shade 4. Let's just do this. This is how it looks in the video. She's like this, and then the girl that's like doing the modeling is very like, okay, let's just see what happens. 10 seconds. Let's do this. Okay, there is blending required, so let's chat about that for a moment. Okay, this does require a close-up mirror, and you don't want to just like splat it on the face. You do want to take a moment. No, it's not going to be the same amount of time and everything required for, let's say, like a full coverage situation, right? It's actually not terrible. It's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little extra of a hit. They say you can do this. So I'm just gonna take a little more on my finger, and in the area that I want a little more, you guys know what that area is for me. It's where I want all of these old acne scars and sun damage zapped off. This is my like one thing that really, it drives me insane. I've come a long way. I had cystic acne as a teenager, and I feel like I still have some of the same like really deep scars, like I just do. And my skin scars so freaking easily. This is not half bad. It's more dewy than I personally love. And the interesting thing is that a lot of people with very oily skin and even acne prone skin, because this is such a balancing formula, they can use it and they seem to like it from what I can gather out of the reviews online. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna spot conceal just a few areas, but we are not going to foundation the whole face. I am going to go with a more natural look today. We're keeping it simple and just kind of enhancing natural beauty. So I'm going to do all of that and we will regroup. And I am gonna let you guys know how this did wear and do a check-in at the end of the day. Immediately, I'm more impressed than I thought I would be because it is giving me some coverage. I was kind of in disbelief that an oil could do that at all, so I'm already like wowed on that front. But do not get it twisted. This is not full coverage. This is not even medium coverage. It's a very natural, even your skin out kind of a thing. And it does feel really nice, and the quality of ingredients, they're nice. $42 for an ounce. That's really expensive, but again, the oils and the ingredients, they are expensive to source. Like, I will give it that. There's not any fluff in here. It's all good stuff. Let me finish up my face. I'm gonna cry. My sister played this during delivery. I don't want to get copyright striked, but I just had to share like a little teeny tiny bit of that. So beautiful. Love that song. Love that moment in Crazy Rich Asians. That's such a good movie, you guys. So, so good. But when I heard that she was listening to Ruel and this, I was just like, like my sister is just as gushy and just we're very similar in that spot. So it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna keep blending. I am shocked that I love how this feels and I love how my skin looks. I only spot concealed on top of the foundation, so there isn't this full coverage mask everywhere. I'm inspired to use less foundation more frequently. I think I get in a rut where I want that really velvety, beautiful finish every single day. It's very addictive to just kind of cancel everything out and then reshape the face and contour and highlight. And I kind of feel really good about just doing a very thin veil of something that did even me out, did hydrate the skin, surprisingly did blur things a little bit. I'm kind of into it. I definitely want to see how this wears all day long, but I'm already in the back of my head, I'm like, wow, this would be really great to, you know, mix into my other foundations, because I have mentioned so many times, even in the beginning of this video, how much I love using an oil with my foundations that I already have, just kind of help them to apply a bit better, wear better. And I think this is pretty gosh darn cool, you guys. I am shocked. I'm shocked. We shall see the rest of the day what happens, but I would call this look, let's do brunch. Like if I were to label this as like a tutorial, it would be like the brunch tutorial that I got ready pretty quickly, but I still have a blingy highlight on and I want to feel cute, you know? So it's a mix of both. I kept with the natural theme, and shout out to Lawless. I am wearing their liquid lip. They make some beautiful liquid lips that are free of any harmful ingredients, which is super important on the mouth. So love that. And I love my makeup right now. So I'm gonna go do my day and we will check in and see if I still feel the same way by the end of the day. All right, I will see you guys in a little bit. What you doing back there, huh? What you doing, huh? Are you in love with mommy today? Yeah? Okay, well this is rare. He's usually exclusively with James. Hi. Oh, Puka baby. My little baby doll. Me and Puka are here, and I have a very natural look going on today, and I kind of love it. I'm so shocked that I like this product as much as I do. Now I have a few things to say about it. I think that if you have pigmented areas, or hi baby, I need to clean your eyes. If you have pigmented areas like I do, through like here, I have my spot right here. You know, you might want a concealer to help you with that. So that's the only thing. It's not gonna give you like a full coverage effect, but my goodness, my skin feels like very hydrated and fresh and not oily and not dehydrated either. Like it's really great if you have surface dehydration. I feel like all of these oils are the right balance to really help you out. Now, if you want to take down the dewiness, I would recommend setting with a powder. I did that. I concealed under the eyes, a little bit of concealer around the face, set it with powder, and I feel like it looks great. Like I'm freaking out actually that I like this the way that I do. I am sitting here playing with new lip glosses that just launched. This is like welcome to my nighttime routine. I got this cool like little thingy that sticks onto my mirror so I can sit here in my bathroom and chat with you guys and do these kind of check-ins. So I kind of love that. Let me know what you think below. I got these from NARS. How pretty, right? I'm wearing this shade right now. This is the shade Redemption, which is what I need after the Hourglass foundation review. Do you forgive me for following directions and not using a primer? Look how glossy that is though, right? My lips just like expanded twice their size because this gloss is just like grabbing all of the light. Love that. I kind of love that I'm not even wearing liner or anything other than highlighter on my lids. I like this kind of a look. I'm into it. I like my skin looking like real skin. You know, variety is the spice of life. So if you want to go full glam one day and then pull back and have the option to do this, it's good stuff. So yeah, we're at the 5-hour mark. What's that, Puka? You want to see if it falls apart in another 4? All right, I'll see you guys in 4 more hours. Hello, my friends. I'm feeling more beautiful as the hours progress. It is now 2 in the morning and my makeup looks amazing. So does my hair. Let's just take a moment for that. Let's just get good and close up. I'm blind as can be without my glasses on. Like literally, I have really horrible vision. If I'm back here, like I basically just see a blur. This makeup is pretty much completely worn off, but I do have to say I like it. I surprisingly really enjoy this. I am gonna mix it in with my Beauty Blender foundation tomorrow. I'm curious how that would kind of add a little slip, but still add a little pigment too, and maybe use less of the Beauty Blender foundation. Love the formulation, love the idea of it. It hydrates and it does not make your skin look crazy oily. So those are 2 really beautiful things about this product. Now, you know, there's a deeper understanding that there can be oils that actually balance the skin and help you to not produce so much oil and help to just nourish the skin the right way, and again, create balance, which is what it's all about. So what did you guys think? I'm kind of really into it. All right, I love you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Will you be trying this? Will you not? Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed and ring the bell. Ring the bell so you're notified of my upcoming videos. I'm here Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 a.m. PST, and I sure do hope you come back and hang out with me again. All right, go have a good one, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.